Okay, looks like the radio's on.
What the heck?
Dude, what is going on already? Got an SVR.
Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning.
Already an SVR. What the heck?
Northwestern New Jersey until 1 p.m.
What the heck? An SVR. That just came out of nowhere.
The storm was located over Bransville, or 8 miles north of
Dude, that just came out of nowhere. What the heck? An SVR just randomly came out of nowhere. What the heck? Dude, what? The heck? An SVR later came out of nowhere. Dude, that actually came out of nowhere. What the heck? That freaking just came out of nowhere.
You are listening to North All Hazards Radio, station KWO35 in New York City. This broadcast originates from the National Weather Service Forecast Office located on the grounds of Brookhaven National Laboratory in Upton, New York. Station KWO35 broadcasts on a frequency of 162.55 megahertz. Here is the forecast for the New York City metropolitan area. The advisory remains.
Bro, that literally came out of nowhere. What the
Today,
heck?
partly sunny. A chance of showers and thunderstorms.
Dude.